Hi, in this video, we'll explore the ternary operator and walk through a simple program to see how it will fit in your code. So far we have covered about unary operators and binary operators. Remember, unary operator works on one operand and binary operator works on two. Now, ternary operator comes into play by working with three operands. So if you look at this example, you'll notice the ternary operator is represented by question mark and a colon. It checks a condition. If it is true, one value is returned. If it is false, another value was returned. Let's dive into the code and see how the ternary operator works. I have a class called operator ternary. I'm having a main method in it. The syntax for my ternary operator is have a condition, and when the condition is going to be true, your value 1 will be returned. When the condition is going to return false, value 2 will be returned. Now, to accommodate this condition syntax and the value 1 and value 2, I will try to have two variables, x is equals to 20 and y is equals to 30. I'm going to have one more variable called result, and my result is going to have a condition, and based on the condition I wanted to have a value 1 and value 2, where if it is true, I want value 1 to be returned, and if it is false, value 2 should be returned. So my condition here is going to be, I'm going to keep something very simple. So I'm going to keep if x is greater than 30, or let's keep x is greater than y, then return 100. You need to put a question mark. So 100. So if x is greater than y is going to be true, 100 will be returned to the result. Else, return 200. Let's try to print this. I'm going to print the result, which is, so here 20 is not greater than y, so 200 will be returned. Let me try that. So the result is 200. I'm going to reassign the result to a different equation. So let's keep x is less than y. Let's see what it's going to print. Now that I've changed my condition to x is lesser than y. Previously, my condition was x is greater than y. Now I have changed to x is less than y. And yes, x is less than y. So in this case, it is going to return 100 to my result. And let's print that as well. So second time, my result is going to be 100 because the condition is returning me true. This time the condition is returning me true. And the last time the condition was returning false. So it picked the second value, which is 200. So this is just an example that shows you an integer value of result. We can also try it with string value, string text. I'm gonna keep equation where x is less than y. I can return hello world. Second whistle. Here we'll print the text word, and here it is. Text messages. So in this, I'm trying to demonstrate how you can print a customized text message based on your condition. And when you look at this is my condition. The condition is the same thing that I used for my last variable, which is result. Now I'm using a different variable, string. This is a text which is of type string. It is taking similar equation, and then here I'm putting text messages that I wanted to uh, print here. So here I'm giving a condition that is satisfying true. So it will give me the first value, which is going to be hello world. So let's try to run. So when you look at this, it is printing me hello world. And if I want this to print thank you, let's put false equation. Now this condition that you have put here can be any condition, and which should be returning you true or false. It's not like that you have to restrict with some two variables and try to print a message. You can put any condition that will work for you. And let me run this. Time it should print thank you. So ternary operator is a quick and handy shortcut to simplify if-else statement. It evaluates a condition and selects between two values efficiently. Feel free to try it with different values, like say try to put a condition like x is equals to 200 and use the same equation and put here x as 200 and try the same equation like hello world and thank you. Try to use your string as your variable as a string. string type and int type, and let me know what kind of results you are getting. And for the integer variable, try to use your uh, values as integer. It should be returning an integer to your integer variable. And for your string type, try to use string types. Also in string type, you can also use numbers here, but it will still consider as string when you put this double quotes. It's a side note. Well, yeah, I don't want to keep this video too much dragging. Please try it with different values and share me your result. Let me know your comments in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to share the results. Bye.